Hi, my name is Patrick and this video should tell you about the different MBA entrance exams which have GK in it. Just to give you a brief idea about it. Once upon a time, a lot of MBA entrance exams had GK section in the exam. But of late, some of the colleges have removed the GK, and so number of colleges which really have a GK are comparatively less. But let's look at the colleges that have, or the exams that have GK. We've been conducting classes for MBA entrance for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam and the pattern of the exam. We do have courses for CAT 25 if you're interested, which includes specialized course for DLR, mathematics, and the overall 100% L batch. The MBA exam, so if you look at every year, there are a lot of people writing MBA entrance exam. Common among them are CAT, XAT, NMAT, SNAP, CET, etc. Okay, now there are different sections. The common sections are basically mathematics, English, and logic. But yes, there is GK section, some of the exams like SAT, CMAT, MICAT and MAT. So let's look at these, what is it exactly in the GK section. If you look at SAT exam has 4 sections of 95 total questions, of which 20 questions are GK. But GK is not considered for giving a call. So technically GK is not very important as far as SAT is concerned because the marks are not considered when they give out a call. So your percentile is purely based on the rest of the 75 questions which are there. So the one section which is GK section, there is no marks. There is no negative marking also for GK. Okay, understand there is no negative mark and is not used for calls. So technically you can answer all the questions, you will get some percentile. But yes, as in when you read a lot for the MBA entrance exam, your GK will exactly be taken care of. You don't have to make a special preparation for GK. Maximum you can go for last 2 years of data and that should suffice as far as SAT GK is concerned. For other exams like MICAT, they have 3 parts of the paper. One is the psychometric test part, one is the descriptive part, and third is the aptitude test. Psychometric has 150 questions, descriptive section has 4 questions. So you have descriptive, you write the answers down. And then there is the aptitude section of 80 questions in which there is 20 questions GK. Okay, they have a 80 question of aptitude section, one part section. The subsection of that there is 20 questions of GK. Right, so that is where MICAT is concerned. For CMAT, there are total 5 sections, 1 section is GK, 1/5 of the paper. Same way for MAT examination, 5 sections, out of 150, 150 is GK, 30 questions. So this is called Indian and global environment as such. In CMAT, they have one more section called innovations and entrepreneurship. Apart from the normal GK, there also you have some kind of GK questions based on entrepreneurship. But yes, there is a separate GK section as well, which is 20 questions. So these are the exams which are there, which have GK. If you're focusing on these exams or your major focus on that, it makes sense to do a little bit of GK as such. So that will help you for these exams. Else, if you're not really focused on that, newspaper reading will take care of whatever GK is required for your preparation. Right? Exam without GK, you have CAT, NMAT, SNAP, CET, GMAT. They don't have a GK section. SNAP had a GK section earlier, but now there is no GK section from 2020. Right? So hope that helps. When you're preparing for GK, focus more on GK. Is normally static, there is old GK and current affairs. But studying old GK is very vast. You actually cannot do in that. To focus more on current affairs. So last 2 years data is enough for current affairs data. You don't have to look at it. If you're looking at static GK, you can look at Manorama. You can also look at different IAS websites or GK for the IAS. There you have a little bit more of static information. Right? Hope this helps. Thank you.